No. Why?
It's because I feel guilty that my dad is likely misusing public funds. It's the least I can do to make up for it.
Mabuti na gusto mong tumulong. Pero, mas maganda sana kung ginagawa mo yon dahil alam mong totoong mahalaga sila sa'yo. Hindi yung ginagawa mo lang dahil may nararamdaman kang guilt. But, good job on those baby steps.
I like this. No, when we're nice to each other. Can we stay like this? Peace fire muna.
Talaga, ikaw ngayon nangunguna minsan. Sana nga maalala mo pa ito bukas.